Oh
There it
man,
is.
this is, I'm speechless right now. Oh man, this is wow. I'm literally speechless now. I don't even know what to say, right?
Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Once again, another happy, satisfied customer, the Clean Bin Heroes. Very excited for this client. Met with him today. He is a local client. He's here in Arizona as well. Their main focus is the southeast side of the valley. Tomorrow, I'm actually meeting with them. Their very first customers, Chick-fil-A, 2 dumpsters, weekly wash at $100 a unit. Very excited for this client. Tomorrow we're going to be putting on another video. We're going to be doing a demo video on those dumpster cleans, so stay tuned for that. You know, if you're thinking about doing this business, please visit ecowashindustries.com if you haven't yet already, or you could give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. I'd love to get on the phone with you, explain what it is that we do to help you understand how to grow this business as you start this business. Understand what we offer as far as a Kickstarter package goes. We're not a franchise. We let you build your own brand. As you can see here, you get to go out and be your own boss in this great emerging industry. Learn from the leaders in this industry. And like most out there working with us, take advantage of the Kickstarter package. Website, logo design, custom wrap, flyers, training, commercial video. No additional cost for that. Again, we're out there to help you look the part, to be the part. Go out there, scale this business in hopes that you'll come back and need more trucks in the near future. Again, visit ecowashindustries.com. Give us a call, 480-789-0931. Again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Love to hear from you. Once again, as always, make it a great day.